children. So this is the second part of the last lesson. This video I have discussed the summary of the last lesson, and today I am going to discuss the important points of the last lesson. So important points of the last lesson, that the questions will be main points of the last lesson, okay, which will be covered in the question answers, okay. So the first one is the significance of the last lesson. So first of all, I will discuss the main importance of the last lesson. So in the last lesson, it highlights the human tendency that there is a plenty of time. It means that we have a plenty of time to do things, right? So the main importance of the last lesson, this title is that that there is a plenty of time to do things. So the main question, okay, it can be in the long question answers and in the short question answer, okay. And then man is postponing the lessons during the day. So in this way, the writer has discussed the free time man is postponing the lessons, postponing his lessons. And the next one, changes in the school that narrator find. Another important point, second, is the changes in the school that narrator find. So what changes that narrator find in the school? Suppose when he last day of the M. Hamel in the school, and he was late for the school, and then he got to know that in the school there was a quiet all over there, and there was no punishment for the student, and M. Hamel wore a beautiful coat and beautiful clothes on that day because it was his last day. So in this way, there were so many changes that he noticed in the school. So this is the main point. This is the second main point of the last lesson. And the next one, main theme of chapter. So the long question answer it can be based on the main theme of the chapter, okay. So what is the main theme of the chapter? This story revolves around the language part, okay, that it revolves around the language and its importance, that each and every language has its importance in the life. So the main theme of the chapter is the important, okay. Come to the further justification of the title. And then the our title is the last lesson, and you will justify this title. The last lesson means it was the last lesson of M. Hamel also in the school, and you can justify the title as well, okay. And the next one, the moral of the story. So what is the main moral of the story of the last lesson? So the main moral of the story is that not postpone our work for tomorrow. That we should not postpone our work for tomorrow. So we should be regular and do work on time. Okay, we should not postpone our work. So this is the main moral of the story. Okay, so these can be covered in the question answers, whether it is a long or short question. So these are the main important points to be covered in the last lesson. So now there are some more important points which have to be covered in the last lesson. So these are the very short points which can be covered in the objective type question answers. Okay, so first of all, you must be clear about the characters like friends, M. Hamel, and the two main characters in the last lesson. Okay. So we read it earlier about the friends and the M. Hamel in the previous lecture. So the next one is Old Hauser, one of the elder villagers. So Old Hauser is also a character in this chapter, and which was one of the elder villagers. When they were sitting and they went there to listen the last lesson of M. Hamel. So. And the next one is Saar. So what is Saar here? It was a river, okay. We will see in Alsace and Lorraine, where the school was situated, and it was a school scene, okay. So it was a river. So it can also be covered in the MCQ objective type question. And the next one, M. Hamel. So M, what is the meaning of M here? So M means Monsieur Hamel. Basically it means Mr. So Mr. Hamel and Monsieur Hamel. So this is the full form of Hamel. So these are the main important points to be covered in this chapter, the last lesson. So now you can go through all the main important points of the chapter, the last lesson.